What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm gonna be doing some laminate flooring. Let me take you guys inside on this step-by-step process of how I get this laminate laid. Let's go. We're gonna go inside right now and get out of this cold real quick. All right, life with K-Face. Remember to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up on this video if you like it, share, comment. Let's get this going, baby. I have my tools with me. I have the miter saw. You guys might have saw that video. If not, go check it out. I'll put it right here. And I had a table saw video, and I never made it. Like I recorded a video, but I never made it and put it together. Anyway, table saw is pretty good though. Yeah. Everything is rigid, of course. I love rigid products. Let's get these spacers for the wall and laminate. I'm gonna show you that in a minute, but I'm just gonna cut them right now. And then we're gonna start get this thing going. All right guys, so it's about that time. We're about to get these laminates on the floor. And before we do that, I just wanna show you guys something real quick. So if you guys go to Home Depot, Lowe's, or wherever, you could get this installation kit. You know, it comes with the spacers, the tap-in block, and also the pull bar. So this is a very cool or nifty installation kit to grab, all right? Has everything in it. The only thing you're gonna need is probably this bad boy right here. Anyway, let me show you what I'm about to do real quick so we can get this going. Of course, they have the grooves that you interlock them in, right? So starting on the wall, you don't need that groove on the outside here. So I cut that off earlier. That's what I showed you guys. All right, we're gonna put that up against the wall. But before we do that, remember those spacers that I cut? So you have the option of either using these or what came in the kit. All right, so I'm gonna use both of them just so I can show you guys, all right? I just put a piece of tape on it just to keep it steady on the wall, all right? And also, I cut the groove off the edge here. I'm gonna put it flush against the piece that I cut. And on the back wall here, I'll use the other spacers so you guys see. And that's it. That's all you need to do, all right? Provides a little space between the wall and the board, just so whenever it starts to shift, move, swell, whatever, you have space, the floor doesn't buckle on you after installation, all right? So we're gonna put the rest of them on this wall here. So since I have the first row in place, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the second row started. I'm gonna attach them, then I'm gonna fit them in place, all right? Because it's kind of hard to do the first row and you have nothing to hold it on, all right? It's just gonna keep shifting around. You're gonna go back and forth all the time. So I'm gonna lay the first probably 2 or 3 rows, and then I'll fit it in place. Then we'll put some of the cases of laminate on it so it can stay one place, and then we'll get going. After you get the first 2 or 3 rows done, it's just that repetitive step. Keep going over and over and over again until you get it finished. So let me just get these first 2 to 3 rows laid, and then I'll show you guys what's up. Another thing too, so we don't waste material, is the piece that I cut off earlier to fit this last section here. I'm just gonna take it and use it down at the end, because remember, we need to cut that groove off, all right? So since that's off, let's go lay it and just keep it going. We gotta match it up correctly. If you realize, we have this overlap right here. This goes on top of the one down here. So you just hold it at an angle, insert it, and then you break it down. Not break it down, but put it down, press it down, all right? And that's where the hammer comes in to hold it in place. You gotta tap it in, all right? So let me grab the hammer and tap that in. So when is a good time to use a pull bar? Right now. So as you can see, we're at this second row here with the last piece of laminate floor in. And just to close the gap, because we can't get into that corner right there, you're gonna use the pull bar to pull it and close that gap in, all right? So you just slide it on and use your mallet and gently tap it in, all right? And that's gonna ensure that everything is sealed and locked in place, all right? And I just cut this one right here to fit this part. So we're gonna use the other piece at the other end of this to start the third row. The first 3 rows are done. Now we're gonna slide it in place, put some weight on it so it doesn't move around a lot, and then we're gonna get it going. Since all that is finished, guys, I'm just gonna get going and do the rest of the floor. What I'll do is I'll show you guys when I get to the closet how I'm gonna get the fit for the closet and everything, all right? If you guys are wondering why I'm speaking like this, it's not my house, so, you know, I gotta take my time, not make a lot of noise or commotions while doing this video. Thank you guys for still sticking in. Remember to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you very much, and let's get this done. I was moving too fast, so I forgot to show you guys real quick. So we're at the part where we're gonna have to cut a notch out for the jamb of the closet here, the framing. So what I did was I marked it out. So I made the marks. Now I'm gonna go downstairs and cut it. It's always best to cut close just so you don't spoil or waste a lot of these laminate floors because they're fragile also. So make a close marking, and if anything, that's just how I do it. You could keep, you know, making the adjustments as you go along so it fits perfectly. So right now I'm gonna go downstairs, make the first cut, and attempt to fit it. If it fits, I'll show you guys. If not, I'll just keep making the cuts until it fits, and then I'll show you guys the final product, all right? So guys, I made the cut, as you guys can see. I used my jigsaw, get it done real quick. Now we're gonna see if it fits. Actually, I tested it, and it fits. So, one cut, and yeah, let's try and get it in, see how it looks. After several taps, guys, that boy fit in. All right, see, and we have little to no, just that little piece right here that's left. But yeah, it fit right in there.